Serbian language has 30 sounds. In this lesson, we will analyze and explore these sounds by grouping them according to the way they are produced. Serbian orthography is phonemic. This means that there is one letter for each one of the 30 sounds, or that each sound is always represented with one same letter. In this course, we're using the Serbian Latin script or Latinica. We will start from the easy sounds. These are sounds that are equal or similar to the English phonetic system, and we will analyze them in order to get ready to analyze and produce the sounds that are typical for Serbian and non-existent in English. Our first group of sounds are vowels or vocali. Vowels are sounds produced without any barrier in the mouth. When we pronounce a vowel, air flows freely to create a sound. The sound is modulated by moving the tongue up or down, closer to the palate or further away from the palate, and by changing the shape of our lips. In Serbian language, there are only 5 vowels, and that's less than in English, and they are pronounced consistently, always the same way. I, E, A, O, U. E is the most stretched vowel. When we pronounce E, our lips are stretched to a smile, our jaws are together, and our tongue is very, very close to the palate. E, sin, sin. E. To pronounce E, we have to open our jaws a bit and our tongue will drop a bit down from the palate. E, ne, ne. A is the most open vowel. We don't need a smile to say A. Our lips are in neutral position and our mouth is wide open. A. Tongue is, of course, away from the palate. A. Da. Da. O. To say O, our lips form a circular or round shape and our jaw moves a bit up. O. Mol. Mol. U. U. When we say U, our lips are still rounded, but our jaw moves up even more. U. U. Kum. Kum. I-E-A-O-U. I-E-A-O-U. That's the flow of vowels in Serbian. We're going from the most stretched one to the most closed one. I-E-A-O-U. And if we analyze the movement of our jaw, we will see that our jaw moves from the closing position, then opens a bit, then opens the most, then closes a bit and closes the most. I-E-A-O. Now please read along with me. Pronounce out loud. I. Sin. Misli. E. Ne. Dete. A. Da. Kafa. O. Mol. Bonbon. U. Kum. Putuju. Now here's an exercise for you. You will see a word on the screen. Read it aloud. Then you will hear me pronouncing it, then pronounce it again after me. Ready? Vino, vino. Voda, voda. Buba, buba. Beba, beba. Bomba, bomba.